I was on an island in the Caribbean, and through the negligence of an employee, I was injured. I'm legally blind in one eye due to the accident. We would call them, and then pretty soon the people that we met at the hotel would not talk to us any longer. They passed us off to one insurance adjuster, then another insurance adjuster, and then finally the last insurance adjuster said, just keep a record of all of your bills and get back to us when you're well, and we'll work on it then. At that point, my husband and I realized that we probably needed an attorney. And he found out what type of attorney we needed, and he found Keith, Brais, and his association, and did a lot of research on their record and found out that they understood what happens when you sue somebody out of the country. As we worked with Keith, I realized what would have happened had we selected an attorney in town that maybe did not have the experience or the understanding of what happens in our country and in offshore and in the different type of courts and from state to state. And I realized that the outcome would have been probably entirely different and not as successful as it was. I think had we not hired an attorney, nothing would have happened. We would have received no money. My case was a long process. It was a couple of years. And through that time, we became basically friends with the people in Keith's office. So we knew his paralegal, his assistants, his secretaries, his other attorneys, and knew them by first name. I felt very comfortable going through with the whole process. I would say that Keith is a superhero.
You